How to fix the issue of can't install system applications from unofficial channels or update system applications on MIUI based custom ROMs, specifically Xiaomi EU, without having to root your device. Hey peeps, what's up? Punchy here, back with another video. And very often we do run custom Xiaomi based ROMs like Xiaomi EU on our Xiaomi Redmi or Poco devices, and some of these ROMs, specifically Xiaomi EU, has blocked the ability to update your system applications using the file manager. So here it is. I am trying to update the security application to the latest version from a China build, and I get this error message: can't install system applications from unofficial channels. Now, how do you fix this without having to root your device? Before you ask me, hey Manchi, you have the Magisk icon and your device is not rooted. Well, I have only installed the Magisk app to show you that the device is not rooted. So you can actually install the Magisk app without having to root your device. So again, device is not rooted right now, only the Magisk app is installed, and I am running a build of Xiaomi EU on my Poco F1, which is based on Android 10. Now, what are the prerequisites for this video? Well, all you need is an active internet connection on your device, and you need to download the APK which is linked in the description of this video. So this here is an APK, or an application called Package Installer for Android 10. So if you have a Xiaomi EU based ROM which is based on Android 11, then you would need the package installer for Android 11, again linked in the description of the video. And if and when we get Android 12 based Xiaomi EU ROMs, feel free to try the 11 installer first. If that doesn't work, let me know in the comments and I'll look out for the package installer for Android 12. Next thing, let us go ahead and check the app info of security. So the version is 5.3, and why am I trying to update it? I'm doing this so that I can get the new game turbo. So let us go ahead and enable game turbo for Magisk. So here it is, game turbo has been enabled and I have the old game turbo. Let us go into files, and this is the default file manager application. You can use any file manager application which you want to. Select this package installer, and of course Xiaomi EU is going to scan it and then say install. Now once package installer has been installed successfully, we can go back, open your files application one more time, and now select the security application, which is the version is 5.5.8. Now I will get two options, open with what. So this here is the package installer of Xiaomi EU, which will block updating system apps. We installed a new one, select this one, and security gave us a notification. Let us say install, and now it is installing the security application without any issues. Here it is, app installed, and let us go into the security app, check the info. Here it is, 5.5.8, and we can now open this, go into game turbo, and Magisk is added. Open the Magisk app, try to access game turbo. Bam, here it is, new game turbo in the building, which is proof that the security application, which is a system application for Xiaomi EU, was updated without any issues and without having to root our device. Pretty cool, right? Next thing you will ask me is, what if you want to remove the package installer we just installed, and can you remove it? Yes, you can do that. All you need to do is go into settings, apps, manage apps, three dot menu on the top, and select show all apps. Herein, if you search for the word package, you will get the new one which we had installed, and on this one, uninstall the updates. You will get the option of uninstall updates, and then reboot your device and you should be back to normal, as in you won't have this new package installer which we had installed. And there it is peeps, just a small video showing you how to fix and how to update system apps on Xiaomi or MIUI based custom ROMs like Xiaomi EU without having to root your device. And that will do it for this video. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.